If you're a mom and you're juggling kids, work, and having zero time for yourself, imagine working from home online 2 hours a day, making daily passive income with no DMs and no phone calls. Thousands of moms have been doing this, and this system runs for them while they live their lives. Y'all, I was working late. I was working long hours. I was working overtime. I was working so much that I was missing on precious moments with my kids or important things like their extracurricular activities. Sometimes I would miss that, or if I could make it, I would be so exhausted because I'd up at 3:30 in the morning to go to work, and then a long day and possibly getting home as late as 10:30 or 11 at night. I was exhausted, guys, and I had enough. So I had discovered a way to build digital income around my life, not the other way around. It works for me, it's automated. Y'all, I didn't need tech skills, I didn't need a following, I didn't have any experience, and I didn't need it. I learned everything I needed through this program. It taught me what I needed to know. So, how this works, the automated system for digital online marketing is really quite simple. The community will teach you everything you need to know. The digital business model, there are the online products. First of all, you have the business. You have 100% master resale rights, 100% profit. You can sell this same program that will teach you how to do online digital marketing. It literally breaks it down step by step for you. It's a done for you system. It teaches you how to put together what they've already built for you and how to automate it. It's so easy. I'm not tech savvy. I figured it out easily because of the step by step training. The amount of training you get within this program is invaluable, y'all. It teaches you so much about digital marketing and social media and how to literally run your own business. It's all automated, so all the heavy lifting is done for you. You literally just put it together and let it go. It does everything. So there's no need for DMs, no cold calls, no chasing people down, none of that. But it gives you time back with your family, and it helps you build a consistent passive daily income. There's multiple income streams. They literally teach you how to do all of this. And all you really need is 2 hours a day to put your social media stuff out there. And this can be during nap time for the kids. It can literally be during anything while they're in school. You can make it work for you. And you don't even have to be online all day long. You just set it and forget it. Once you're in the community, you'll see all the training. You'll see people who have been winning with this program. You will see their testimonials. You'll see $900 a day earnings, sometimes more, because the internet's literally doing the work for them. There's no limit to what you can make, and people have had various levels of success with this. You just got to put in your 2 hours a day and use the tools they've given you, and you're good. Moms who have never done this before, me, are earning daily. That's big. No tech skills needed, no camera needed. Your phone is all you need, guys. It's all you need. And you need commitment to make it work, commitment to learn the program. Just imagine having time to take your kids to the park and play and not worry about, having to rush to get to work, or maybe you work night shift, or if you're working during the day, you're not rushing home just to make dinner and put everybody to bed. You can arrange to have vacations. You can afford and plan vacations and actually know that you can take several days to the beach or to the mountains or to wherever y'all want to go and whatever y'all want to do. Just imagine having that time and financial freedom. So here's what it is. If you're ready to stop trading your time for money, especially if it's not paying out, going to that 9 to 5, you often have too little money left after the bills are done. If you want to learn how to build a real income with just 2 hours a day using the internet and your resources, and you want a step-by-step system that is proven, a proven blueprint with community and support, then I encourage you to visit www.easycashfreedom.com, and the details will be right there for you. You can have everything you need to literally show you how this works. Your freedom starts now.